Welcome to Travel with Matt, where we bring you the best luxury destinations and experiences from around the world. Today we're taking you on an extraordinary journey to the vibrant city of Dubai. Known for its opulence and extravagance, Dubai is a playground for the rich and famous. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the 10 best things to do on a luxury vacation in Dubai. So let's get started. 1. Stay at a luxurious hotel. To start your luxury vacation in Dubai, you must experience the grandeur of its world-class hotels. From the iconic BURJ Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world, to the luxurious Atlantis, the Palm, and the Armani Hotel located in the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on the planet, Dubai offers a range of exquisite accommodation options. 2. Explore the Palm Jumeirah. No luxury vacation in Dubai is complete without a visit to the Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree. Here you can relax on pristine private beaches, indulge in water sports, or dine at some of the city's most exclusive restaurants. Don't forget to take a helicopter tour for a breathtaking aerial view of this architectural masterpiece. 3. Indulge in retail therapy. Dubai is a paradise for shopping enthusiasts. Head to the famous Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world, where you can find luxury brands from around the globe. Don't miss the incredible indoor aquarium or the stunning Dubai Fountain Show, which takes place right outside the mall. 4. Experience a desert safari. Escape the city's hustle and bustle and venture into the mesmerizing Arabian desert. Embark on a luxury desert safari where you can ride a camel, go dune bashing in a 4x4 vehicle, and watch a captivating sunset over the golden sand dunes. Enjoy a traditional Bedouin-style dinner under the starlit sky, complete with belly dancing and henna painting. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you can get notified when we upload the next video. 5. Take a yacht cruise. Dubai's coastline offers a magnificent setting for a luxurious yacht cruise. Charter a private yacht and sail along the Arabian Gulf, taking in the stunning views of the city's skyline. Relax on deck, savor gourmet meals, and enjoy water activities such as snorkeling and jet skiing. It's the epitome of luxury and relaxation. 6. Visit the Burj Khalifa. No trip to Dubai would be complete without a visit to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Take the high-speed elevator to the observation deck on the 148th floor, known as At the Top Sky, for unparalleled panoramic views of the city. For an extra special experience, consider dining at one of the exclusive restaurants within the Burj Khalifa. 7. Indulge in culinary delights. Dubai is a haven for food lovers, boasting a vast array of fine dining establishments. From Michelin-starred restaurants to celebrity chef-run eateries, the city offers a melting pot of international cuisines. Don't forget to try traditional Emirati dishes such as camel meat and Arabic sweets for an authentic gastronomic experience. 8. Pamper yourself at a spa. Treat yourself to ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation at one of Dubai's luxurious spas. Experience world-class treatments inspired by ancient healing traditions and modern techniques. From rejuvenating massages to invigorating facials, these spas offer a serene oasis where you can unwind and indulge in pure bliss. 9. Play golf in style. Dubai is a golfer's paradise, with lush green fairways and stunning course designs. Tee off at world-class golf courses like the Emirates Golf Club or the JUMEIRAH Golf Estates, where you can enjoy a round of golf in a breathtaking setting. Afterward, relax in the clubhouse and indulge in some well-deserved refreshments. 10. Attend luxury events and festivals. Dubai hosts a myriad of glamorous events and festivals throughout the year. From the Dubai Shopping Festival to the Dubai World Cup, there's always something exciting happening in the city. Attend exclusive parties, fashion shows, and cultural exhibitions, where you can immerse yourself in the glitz and glamour that Dubai is known for. And there you have it, the 10 best things to do on a luxury vacation in Dubai. So start planning your dream vacation to this incredible city and create memories that will last a lifetime. Also, if you enjoyed watching the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these.